People have found bizarre ways to cover their face to avoid contracting coronavirus, from wearing plastic bottles, baby diapers, to cardboard boxes. People have come up with novel ways to avoid getting infected by COVID 19. Such a case was found in Goa too, wherein a person can be seen wearing plastic bag as his face mask in a fish market, and police official can be seen having a conversation with him, probably asking him to pay for not wearing a proper mask. The video went viral on social media. Some people found it funny, but it's quite alarming to all of us to wear a proper mask as the cases in the state are rising. A request to all our viewers to please wear a proper mask to stay away from the COVID-19 virus. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.